Hello, everyone. Let me start by asking you a question. How long has it been since you last looked at your phone? It's no surprise we are living in the age of constant connectivity, where the glow of a screen is a permanent fixture in our daily lives. And while that can bring us closer together, it can also pull us further apart from ourselves. Studies show that the average person spends around 3 to 4 hours per day on their phone. That's nearly 1,500 hours a year. To put that in perspective, that's more time than most of us spend working or sleeping. But here's the truth. We are paying a steep price for that connection. Our mental health, our relationships, and even our creativity are being impacted by this digital addiction. Research indicates that excessive social media use is linked to increased feelings of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. It's ironic, isn't it? We are more connected than ever before, but we feel more disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. We live in an era where everything is instant. Messages, notifications, likes, and comments are all just a tap away. It feels like the world demands our attention 24/7. But here's the reality. This constant digital stimulation is rewiring our brains. Studies from neuroscientists have shown that every time we check our phone, we experience a rush of dopamine, a chemical linked to pleasure and reward. Over time, our brain craves more of this instant gratification. It becomes a cycle. Check, get rewarded, check again. We become addicted. But what happens when we're constantly addicted to the dopamine loop of our phones and social media? It starts to affect our ability to focus, to think deeply, and even to form meaningful connections. We lose the ability to be present, to experience the world without distraction, to think freely without constant interruptions. And this, my friends, is where digital detox comes in. A digital detox isn't just about turning off your phone. It's about giving yourself permission to be free from the constant bombardment of notifications and digital noise. It's about reconnecting with yourself, your surroundings, and the people who truly matter. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I need my phone. How will I survive without it? Here's the thing, you can survive without it. In fact, you'll likely thrive without it. So let's talk about how to get started. Start by setting clear boundaries. For example, commit to no phone usage during meals or an hour before bed. Give your mind a chance to rest and unwind without the digital distractions. Create phone-free zones in your home, your bedroom, the dining table, or even your backyard. Can be places where you are fully present with the people around you without the temptation to check your screen. Be intentional about how you consume content. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, choose content that adds value to your life. Listen to podcasts, watch educational videos, or read articles that align with your values. Set aside one day each week to disconnect from your devices. Use this time to explore nature, engage in a hobby, or simply be present in the moment. You'll find that this breaks the addiction cycle. And here's a simple but powerful step. Use Do Not Disturb or silent mode during key hours of the day. You'll be amazed at how much more focused and productive you can be. But why should you bother? Why is this so important? Because mental health matters more than ever. Social media has transformed from a place to connect with friends into an environment where we compare our lives, measure our self-worth by likes, and get caught up in the noise of everyone else's highlight reel. But there's good news. A digital detox can reset your mind, it can restore your creativity, improve your relationships, and boost your overall mental well-being. Research shows that people who take regular digital breaks experience lower levels of stress and anxiety and are more satisfied with their lives. Imagine how much better we could all feel if we took even just 30 minutes a day to unplug. That's half an hour for your brain to breathe, half an hour to be fully present with those around you, half an hour to reconnect with what really matters. So, what will you choose? The mindless scrolling, the constant distractions, the overwhelming comparison, or will you choose a life that's more focused, more meaningful, and more connected? The power of digital detox is in your hands. You can take back control. You can decide how you want to engage with technology and how you want to live your life. The choice is yours. Thank you